Hello friends, I am Shabina Khanam, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Roorkee. I am offering an online certification course titled Mechanical Operations for you under NPTEL program. As we know that around 75% of chemical manufacturing processes involve small solid particles at some point. Proper design and handling of these fine particles often makes the difference between success and failure of the product. Many products such as catalysts, pigments, fertilizers, cements, ceramics and pharmaceuticals are currently manufactured in particulate forms. Mechanical operations deal with science and technology of particulate matter, which is a multidisciplinary field including material science, environmental, biomedical, aerospace, agricultural, chemistry, microbiology and cell science, pharmacy and medicine. The primary objective of this course is to identify the important physical mechanisms occurring in processes involving particles and to formulate and solve mathematical description of such processes. This course is useful for undergraduate students. However, this course will also be helpful for anyone of any professional level who is working in the production, handling, processing, modification or characterization of particular solids. The understanding of the concept of mechanical operations will be developed through theory and details example. This course is divided into 10 major modules. These modules will be distributed in 20 half-an-hour duration lectures. The duration of the course is 4 weeks. Module 1 consists characterization of a single particle. Module 2 characterization of collection of particles. Module 3 fine grain size distribution. Module 4 effectiveness of a screen. Module 5 industrial screening equipment. Module 6 size reduction. Module 7 laws of comminution. Module 8 size reduction equipment. Module 9 particle dynamics and Module 10 classification and jigging. No prerequisite for this course is required. During the course, assignment will be given to you which you have to solve and submit back. These assignments will be evaluated and marked at our end. At the end, the online examination will be conducted for those who are interested in getting certificate. I look forward to see you in this course. Thank you.